In today's fast-paced world of social media, creating high-quality videos is essential. It's how you capture attention and build an audience. Whether you're crafting short clips for TikTok, stylish reels for Instagram, or engaging long-form videos for YouTube, AI tools can simplify the process. And here's the best part. These tools are completely free. Let's explore 3 powerful AI tools that can help you create professional-grade videos with ease. 1. CapCut, a simple yet powerful video editor. CapCut is perfect for short-form videos like TikTok and Instagram Reels. It's easy to use and packed with AI features to make editing fast and effective. Key features: auto-generated captions, adds subtitles automatically with high accuracy. Trendy effects and templates, use filters, transitions, and pre-made templates to keep your videos trendy. Background removal, effortlessly remove or change backgrounds without a green screen. User-friendly design. CapCut is intuitive, so anyone can create professional quality videos. CapCut works on Android, iOS, and desktop, making it perfect for creators on the go. Now to Runway ML, advanced tools for creative editing. If you're looking to push your creativity further, Runway ML is a game changer. This platform uses cutting-edge AI to deliver advanced video editing capabilities. Key features: AI magic tools, remove objects, replace backgrounds, or enhance visuals with ease. Text-to-video feature, turn written concepts into video scenes, great for storytelling or explaining ideas. Collaboration-friendly, work on your projects with team members in real time. Runway ML is perfect for Instagram or YouTube, where creativity and unique visuals can set you apart. 3. Descript, a seamless video and audio editor. Descript is an all-in-one tool for video and audio editing. It's perfect for content creators repurposing videos or creating polished long-form content for YouTube. Key features: text-based editing, edit videos by editing the transcript, cut filler words or mistakes in seconds. Auto subtitles, add captions to make your videos accessible and more engaging. Screen recording and AI voiceover. These tools are ideal for tutorials, product demos, or explainer videos. Descript makes professional editing simple even if you're new to video creation. Which tool is right for you? If you're creating short-form videos for TikTok or Instagram, choose CapCut. If you need advanced editing tools to create unique visuals, try Runway ML. For long-form or polished videos on YouTube, Descript is the best option. Final thoughts. These free AI tools make professional quality video creation easy. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing content, these platforms can help you reach new heights. So why wait? Start using them today and elevate your content to a whole new level.